Hey guys, so here is the latest on the holiday relaunch. It's happening November 9th. The products will go live at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. So I believe that is 8 a.m. Pacific Time. All products are still available. There is a limit of one, maybe two, depending on the item per person, and it's shop only. And they have fixed it so that if you are not able to get in right away, there is now a virtual waiting room. You will be assigned a number and you will be told how many people are in front of you for getting onto the website. So be sure to have your lists ready so you can get on as soon as possible and get your items. It's first come, first serve, and as long as supplies last. So be ready. I know what I'm grabbing. Do you? Feel free to message me with any comments or questions, or just comment down below. All right. I will see you guys later. Bye.